This video is to go over the power of the Delegate and Elevate exercise that's taken from EOS's toolbox. EOS is Entrepreneur's Operating System from the book Traction by Gino Wickman. Delegate and Elevate is a tool that we find really powerful at the Collab Team. Typically, it comes directly behind the gap analyzer. So this is typically where we start with clients, is we'll take them through our gap analyzer, which gives you a breakdown of each one of your teammates and how their time is spread across the organization. You send them through, you allow them to fill out what they're doing on the daily and on the weekly and on the monthly, and categorize what each one of those tasks are assigned to, be it operations, customer experience, marketing, or sales. And then the power of the gap analyzer is that it shows you what the spread is across your organization among all the different players. And if you drill down on any particular area, it shows you what hours are given, and then you're able to go into those individuals and really ask, is that what that person should be doing? So after the gap analyzer, we typically go directly to the Delegate and Elevate. The Delegate and Elevate tool is awesome because once you've already inventoried all the duties, you can then begin going through the duties and asking these 4 questions. And that is, so whether you're using the gap analyzer or you're just creating a list on your own of the jobs that you do, you always want to start inventorying first, and then you start putting in that inventory into these 4 quadrants. And that's what the Delegate Elevate tool is designed for, is to identify of the tasks, of the duties that you're doing, what do you love and are great at? What do you like and are good at? What do you dislike and are good at? And what do you dislike and are not good at? The whole purpose of this tool is to try and get you to live in your brilliance, right? We want people to live 80% of their time here if possible. But, we realize that not everything can even love, so we're okay with settling on some of the things that you like and you're good at, because that's still good energy. And we realize that probably every job is going to have some dislike, but you're good at. You're just the specialist. You're the one that knows the most. So it's going to come best from you. And so we realize, I would say probably 10 to 20% of people's job is going to be here in the dislike, but they're good at. But dislike and not good at, we should be trying to delegate that down so that you can elevate yourself up. That's the whole purpose of the exercise. So whatever ends up in this quadrant, after you've gone through the gap analyzer of your inventory, your duties, of those duties, whatever ends up here, we should be trying to get off your plate as soon as possible. And we should then be creating bandwidth for you to be able to live more in this zone of love and great at. The truth is that not everybody is going to dislike and not be good at these things. In fact, there are plenty of people that are looking for promotion opportunity or growth opportunity, probably in the areas that you hate, which sounds funny to say, but it's just true. So as you've gone through the gap analyzer, or as you've inventoried your duties, go ahead and fill in this sheet now. And it'll help you to determine how to create bandwidth in your schedule and how to help as you elevate yourself and delegate down to others. That's actually elevating them as well. So let us know if you have any questions. The Collab team would love to do this for you. That's done through a project block. You can simply go to the gapanalyzer.com, purchase it there, and then take the one-time offer for our project block. We'll give you the gap analyzer for free, and then we'll roll out both of these tools for you, both the gap and the Delegate and Elevate. Thanks so much.